Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have our pre-owned 2019 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. This is the gasoline 6-liter, made it to the automatic of course. Summit white, 68,000 miles. Dealer price of $47,995. Really do like the spec. This truck, or at least the 2019 Sierra HD, it's a special place in my heart. Hopefully by the time this video goes live, you'll understand why. This thing is absolutely beautiful. It's snowing like a bugger now. Heated seats are beautiful on a day like today. Wireless charger. Backup camera, of course. And then into drive. Is this one that does a... Aha! It does do a slidey-widey. Alright. Power adjustable pedals as well. So if you can't get your seating position just right, you can adjust your pedals. Now let's see if I can get this thing down this slope. Gonna hit that curve, that's fine. Where's the wipers? Oh yeah. ABS, because I am on that snow. ABS doing work. Get me out of that situation. Of course, you can get a 6.6 Duramax. I think it was something like a $10,000 option. I don't know if this one has the original sticker. No. Oh, I love V8s. V8s make the world go around. Big bump. Oh, heavy duty suspension. When it's unloaded, it's a little rough, but it's not unbearable. Oh. I leaned back and that seat warmer is warm. As you can tell, even though this is a very big truck, it's not unbearable to drive. You can see out perfect. And it's just a really, really nice truck overall. see there, I can navigate perfect. I know where the front is. For parking, you have parking sensors up front. I mean, I love these trucks. These are so capable. I love these trucks. They don't have to be nearly as good as they are, but they are fantastic. Let's see here. Don't get stuck. Yeah, knew that was coming. I was on the ice, so what did I expect? There we go. Here's the big test. Turning circle. Better than I thought. Should have backup sensors. Backup seat rumblers. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.